We always say that your child will imitate your response. At that time, when he grabbed that emotion, how evolved were you? Let me quote an incident. When we were very small, I think I was only in 7th or 8th standard. And when we used to go for family functions, in one of the functions, as we were enjoying with 15, 20 other kids, and we had no responsibility, and people and the children were of different age groups, and two of them fought with each other, and one of them cried and went to his mother complaining about all that. And the response of the mother was so shocking for us that without asking the detail, she started scolding and shouting at the other kid, saying that he was exactly like his mother, selfish and ill mannered. And the other mother also, she came and started responding in the same manner. And in a minute, they opened the record of past 20 years. Like, when I got married, you did this. The other one said, when I had my son, you did this. You were always like this with me. So as your son. बात कहाँ थी और कहाँ निकल गई. Now, in future, in school, when the child has a fight with somebody, it gets resolved very easily because he is from the group of those evolved parents. Whereas, if the child is from the previous group and they just had a minor disagreement, he will show a totally different behavior which he learned in his childhood. When we call the parents to school, to our shock, most parents supported their child even for his wrong actions. And when we said that your child will have to say sorry to the other person, the parents said, हमारे खानदान में आज तक किसी ने सॉरी नहीं बोला मैम, ये कैसे बोलेगा? Do you think with this kind of mindset on behalf of the parents, we teachers can make your child a debater, a researcher, or an academic oriented person who wants to gain some knowledge? Please save your child from yourself. Many teachings are also given by the parent to the child. Like in this incident, he was given another instruction by the parents that keep a group of people around you and keep them obliged so that they support you if a problem arises. And according to us, it was created by them only. Now, even if the child is wrong, there are many people, many students who support him happily. Now, in his trait, besides copying you, he has developed some other traits also. For example, proving himself right even when he was wrong. And he spends the whole life in making those contacts to save him. If you remember, we read, अपनी एक गलती को छुपाने के लिए आपको 9 और गलतियां करनी पड़ती हैं. What you never wanted your child to become, he has become now. So again, I will say, please save your child from yourself.